Hey y'all, today we're taking a look at the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. This is my first ever smartphone gimbal. I got this on a pretty good discount on Amazon Prime Day. So this is DJI's entry-level smartphone gimbal, and I bought this so I can improve my shots, and also because I want to experiment with mobile photography and mobile videography, and this will help with that. Entry-level DJI gimbal, let's see how good it is. But first, let's get the box open. Oh wait, I was gonna do a cool transition. Wrapped in plastic in this nice minimal packaging, this nice minimal box. On the back, it gives you an outline of the features and what's included in the box, but that's the boring stuff. So let's get started with the actual unboxing. This looks like the little tripod thing they give you. Magnetic phone clamp. Wow. Look at that. Gimbal. Ooh, sick. Stickers. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Charging cable. That is just the quick start guide. Okay, I will actually have to take a look at this because I've never owned a gimbal before, so this is all new to me. This is all the stuff you get with the DJI Osmo 6. Well, there's some other stuff in the box, but this is the relevant stuff, like the gimbal itself. We got the little tripod stand thingy. We got the phone clamp, and we have the charging cable, the carrying bag, which is neat, and the quick start guide. Okay. Get you out of here. Oh, that's clever, because the way it clamps on it avoids the phone buttons. I gotta turn the bad boy on first though. So I'll press on the M for 2 seconds. Fire! Ooh, wow, that's really neat. Okay, I guess everything else is in the DJI Mimo app. Anything else I need to peel off? Oh, whoa. My bad. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It recognized my device. Connect. Okay, I'm gonna go play around with this gimbal. I'll include a sample video or two after this segment. And then afterwards, well, I guess that's kind of it. It's not tracking the ducks, which is a little disappointing. There you go. See? Look at that. Okay, so gimbal is pretty good. I'm using the little active track feature right now. Just one complaint, I don't like the app. The app is a bit janky, but I think I'll get used to it at some point. The gimbal itself is pretty excellent though, especially for its price range. Shot a bunch of cool, awesome shots. Gonna pack up and head home soon. So yeah, look at the sky by the way. Wow. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for joining me and checking out the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. It's a cool looking little gimbal. I'll probably be making a full review at some point, so if you're into that, or if you're into iPhones and tech in general, then consider subscribing. Leave a like on this video if you liked it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Be awesome and stay techie. Bye. Won't be my screen, taking off your blue jeans, dancing in the moon. That is not how it snaps on, is it?